All right. It is Monday. We back again, January 10th. Jared Tries Trading, aka Jared James HD. Back at it today. And how'd we do? Go Niners, by the way. Bam. 80% win rate here. It's exactly what we're looking for. Trying to get this to be a consistent thing. And with win rate and avoiding big losses like last week, we come out with a pretty good day. Up 150 bucks, 7.5 profit factor. So pretty happy with today. Can't complain. Had some really nice trades here for some decent profit, bigger than usual. And then I also have my, regular old base hits in here. But the market seemed a little bit easier to read today. Instead of just chopping around or not really going anywhere, which is harder to trade for me anyways. It was easier to see stuff. So let's get into some of these trades. Let's see. PayPal was my biggest one today. A nice 6% return, which is 70 bucks on the size of that contract. So one contract, 70 bucks. I was in and out, took about 10 minutes. Let's take a look at this chart. And I know in previous videos I've talked about taking the bigger move, but until I confirm that I'm going to be safe and it's high probability, I'm okay with this quick 10-minute move here. And I'm happy with my exit too. So if I continue to get in and it's a quick move, I could get my exit right, then I could work on my entry and try to find better signals to get in. So let me go over to this other screen. We're looking at PayPal. Check out the daily first. Yeah, chopping around in a little range right here. Broke out of that range, broke below this horizontal support right here. And looking nasty right now on the D1, below all the SMAs. 1 OSI below 0. What's the HA look like? Tiny candles, flat top HA candle. Love it. Let's go to the M30. It was 1 OSI below 0. Let's go to the M5. What time did I get in? 10:40. Right here. So the tail end of this move, I got in. And the exit, 1 OSI was climbing. It was gaining strength while, let's see what SPY was doing. SPY overlay. Kind of just following SPY. So SPY found support, and that was my exit, which I'm happy about. I didn't wait around seeing if PayPal is going to get weak again. I just got the hell out. And it was a pretty nice profit considering, the size of the contract. It moved pretty quickly on this bar. So happy with that. Let's go back. What else did I do? I was definitely more on the short side, and most of my trades were early. And then a couple of trades I went for relative strength and kind of got chopped up on those. Let's see. Nike, I like this trade. Found it myself, didn't listen to no pros or didn't steal any plays from them. A nice 3.5% profit, $35. I did leave money on the table on this one. And let me see if I could figure out why I exited while I'm recording. So 1137. Let's go look at NKE. Let's look at the daily first. Always start with the daily. Nasty daily, chopping around. Gap down. Still below SMA 100, and today gap down below the 200, which is major support. So I like the daily a lot. 1 OSI below 0. So very bearish in my eyes. M5. Let's see what was happening on my entry. 1135 is when I got in. So right here in the middle of this move, it even had a buy signal here. I need to get better at using those, but on my own, 1135, I see 2 stacked red candles, 1 OSI declining, so getting weaker. and it's in a bearish 1OP cycle as well. And then when did I exit? Just a couple bars later, 1140. And then we'll check out what SPY was doing at 1140 as well. 1140. So pretty much I rode the pullback, and these small candles here, I wanted to see it keep going down and pushing Nike further. Nike was pretty weak though, so I could have stayed in, but again, these quick moves, how fast was this? I was in there for 3 minutes and made $35, so I can't really complain about that. On to the next one. Let's see, SBUX. I like this trade as well. What was this? 5% return. Excuse me. Relative weakness play, options, weak daily, gap down. Again, obviously you want to get in on these peaks, but I guess in my plays, I'm looking for confirmation, and my indicators are telling me when to get in. So took a nice 2-bar move, sat through that pullback, and on the next kind of bounce, I got in. Let's see what the stock was doing on the daily. Another gap down below horizontal support, nasty. 1 OSI below 0. M5 basis, I got in at 1040. So let's check this out. Bam, right here. What was SPY doing? Again, just following SPY. SPY was tanking, stock tanking, taking this momentum right here. 1 OSI dropping. And right when SPY found support, I actually followed it, right? I got out at 11. Got out right here on this last red candle before it made the move higher. So I could have got out down here at the bottom. This one I gave a little more room, but still got out with a decent profit, and I was happy with my exit. I remember I was monitoring SPY, like, is this my chance to get out? Is SPY going to keep going down? Obviously it didn't. It found support there, bounced up, and a lot of stocks just gradually drifted higher along with the market. So happy with that. Let's take a look at one of my L's. XOM was a swing. It was up 18 this morning, but I got out on the first candle on open pretty much. Had to get out. It's a good thing I did because the stock sold off obviously with the market. So happy with that swing. Kept it a small loss. KR, I thought it had relative strength. I had a really bad entry on this. My indicators, I don't know. I don't even know why I got in on this. Maybe I was bored, or my notes. Holding up well today on SPY. Got in during a SPY bounce. Looking for a break of all-time high, which is right where I got in. Stochastics were trending up at the time, so it looked bullish to me. SPY was in a bull 1OP cycle. And it has a strong D1, so if I wanted to lean on that, I could have, but I got out for a scratch. I didn't know what the market was doing at the time, and when I'm unsure, it's better to just get out. So I like my exit. It was cool. My entry sucked though. I probably should have waited for like a pullback or a confirmation that's going to break the high here. So cool with me. And I think that's all the ones I'm going to go through. The other ones are $2, $5, little base hits, which are important as well. As you can see, I got my win rate up, and every little bit counts, man. If I didn't take these small little base hits, I would have missed out on $50 or something like that, which, on bigger size might account for a lot more than that. So thanks for watching, guys. It's Monday, January 10th, 12:50 p.m. Pacific time. So I'm going to call it a day here. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. And there's the transitions not working again. Let me get out of here, man. Have a good day, guys. See you tomorrow.